Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. Birthday shout out of the day. If it is your birthday, comment down below and let us know, and happy birthday. Y'all go show some love in the comments too. I just received my July Birchbox. We'll get into it. Of course, at the very end, I will show you my selections and the choices and things like that. I do try to pop that up at the end of the videos just to give you guys an idea. You guys know I get my subscription boxes to be able to showcase for you guys to help you guys make informed decisions on whether or not you want to pick up these subscription boxes or not. I am a fan of subscription boxes, as you guys know. I like to be surprised and stuff like that, but I also like the notion of being able to go in each category and select my own products. I will pop all the information and stuff like that for you guys right here. This was obviously supposed to be here in July. I did have to send a couple of emails, and I actually had a lot of comments from you guys as well, those of you that do receive Birchbox, and you're like, hey, have you gotten your box? I don't know what ended up happening. They literally told me and at least 4 of you that I know of for sure. You guys can kind of comment down below if you had the same experience. But I heard from at least 4 of you, we all got the exact same email when we emailed them. That, oh, your package was sent, I guess we didn't add, you know, tracking information or whatever the case may be, so the package, I guess, inherently got lost. And then I sent another email, and then my package showed up. And that is the consensus from those 4 other beauties as well. I don't know what happened. I don't know if there were some mishaps. I don't know if it was a shipping issue, whatever the case may be. I got my box. I'm fine with that. If I do not receive my August box in August, you guys know I will kind of give grace and stuff like that. I'll give them 3 shots. So we'll see what happens with August box. All that being said, I'm going to shut the hell up and we're going to dive in. It is generally packaged pretty well. We do have our informative card, and we have some of the little stringy tissue things. Birchbox Summer Polished. Long days, spontaneous plans, and a calendar that fills up fast. Summer is officially in full swing. This month's box is designed to keep pace with the season, featuring effortless beauty essentials that help you look put together without overthinking it. Inside, you'll find products that refresh, restore, and add just the right finishing touch, from nourishing treatments to easy-to-wear color. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway, meeting friends for dinner, or simply soaking up a little sunshine, these are the beauty staples you'll reach for all season long. Here's to making summer look easy. And as I always state, if this box is coming in July, August, if it's telling me it is a summer box, I want to see items that are pertinent to that season. And right on top, I see one of my favorites. I actually purchased this when it first came out in a little minis duo, and I love it. This is the Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. It smells incredible. My hair feels incredible after the fact. I absolutely love this. I'm incredibly happy to have this, and this is well worth the price of the box. So starting off with a bang. Keep in mind too, I got to choose these. Next up, these couple of products really intrigued me, and if you have any kind of experience with them or anything like that, I'd love to hear your thoughts and stuff. This is called the Sun-Kissed Summer Brush. I don't know if Sun-Kissed is the brand. I'm assuming that it is. I remember having something like this years and years ago. I want to say it was like maybe from Laura Geller or something like that. But it's got like a really pretty like bronzy thing in here, and you take it out. I'm assuming there's a brush. It kind of fills up with the bronze, and then you place it all over the skin. I was just intrigued by that. That color is really beautiful. Feels nice and well made. Next up, also from the Sun-Kissed. This is the Sun-Kissed Glimmer Compact in the shade Medium. And based off just kind of looking at this all seems a little bit more shimmery, but just the way that it kind of looks, I feel like I'm gonna like something like this. Run the brush all the way through, put on a matte bronzer first if you chose to do that, and then kind of put this all over. I use my Makeup by Mario one all the time, every time I do my makeup pretty much. But I'm intrigued by this as well, and this is a massive compact. I think together these are gonna look beautiful as well. Next up, we have the J. Hannah Nail Polish in the shade Himalayan Salt. I am a fan of nails, nail polish, nail decors, things like that, and this was just a really pretty kind of soft nude shade. If you've tried this brand, let us know. And then to round out my Birchbox for July, we have the Wonder 2 Pure Pigments in Pearl Powder. And I don't necessarily use products like this all the time. Now, I used to be a Bare Minerals hoe, y'all. I wore solely Bare Minerals for many, many, many years. I don't reach for things like this that often now. For me, I'm a less is more person. I want things that are incredibly easy to use. But if you're unfamiliar, I tend to just tap a little bit into the lid. I would have already kind of set my eye or prepped my eye. I'll go in with my finger and kind of show you what that looks like up close. And then from there, I would press it on, and I kind of lean my head forward so I don't get a lot of fallout, but I would kind of press and roll with this type of a product. This does look incredibly beautiful though. So let me run that down really quickly one more time. We got our Wonder 2 Pure Pigments. We got the J. Hannah nail polish in the shade Himalayan Salt. I also like that they wrote that incredibly big, so if you are somebody like me that you have very poor vision, that's quite helpful. We got the Sunkissed Glimmer Compact in medium, again, gigantic size. We got the Sunkissed Shimmer Brush in this kind of beautiful bronzy shade. And then we got already one of my favorites, the Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5, not blowing my socks off. Of course, I chose the product, so I can't be mad at anybody but myself. I liked the overall selection for July. So yeah, you will definitely see that at the end of the video. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below, let's have that conversation. Are you into subscription boxes? Do you get Birchbox? Did you also have a little snafu in July? I'd like to know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. You can share this video out, you can hype this video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.